Hello guys, my name is Salika Chaitanya. Today our topic is Teachable Mission. What is Teachable Mission? Teachable Mission is web-based tool that makes creating machine learning models fast, easy and accessible to everyone. Yes, it is. But how does it works? Is there any question? How does it works? Yes, you train a computer to recognize your images, sounds and poses without writing any machine learning code. Then use your model in apps, your own apps, projects, sites. And let's go into it. This is Teachable Mission and our new project is image project. Let's take image project. There is three steps. First one, we have to give uh, images to computer to train it. Second one is training. Our image was trained to understand the computer. And third one is export. Let's go into first. We can create number of classes. I am creating class my phone, mobile. Mobile. Yeah, let's go. Let's. Here is my mobile, and I will give some set of more than 100 or 200 images to train my model. Let's go. Okay, and class 2. I'm, give, I'm giving sanitizer. Okay, let's take images. This is sanitizer. It takes number of samples. Okay, let's train. Training is nothing but we are training the computer to give our models. As it was training, when training was going on, don't switch any tabs. You must leave this tab open to train your model. Don't open any tabs. Stay in this piece, in this page. And let's train. It takes some time. Okay, first check it. Let's show my mobile. It's showing 100%. Without machine learning code, I gave my mobile image to Teachable Mission to train the computer to recognize it as mobile. See, it was showing 100%. And then sanitizer, again 100%. I take another class, my face with mask. Mask. Here is my mask. Let's train it. See what happens. We can create number of classes. almost done. Let's check. When I am wearing mask, it shows 100%. Now fluctuating. When I show sanitizer, it shows 100%. When I show my mobile, 100%. Yes, successful. Export our model. We can export in different types: TensorFlow, TensorFlow Lite, TensorFlow. Okay, let's upload my model. You can download also, nothing but, and make sure this copy the link. Thank you guys. Bye bye.